Dear student, today I will discuss the divisibility test, a test of divisibility. Which all number are divisible by 2, which all number are divisible by 3. So without actual division, we can say the answer. Now, a test of divisibility. This is the topic today. Divisibility you have to test by 2, by 3, 4, 5, 9 and 10. Other number also we have 6, 7, 8 also, 11 also we can do. But according to your syllabus, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 and 10. Listen, the formula 3 and 9, same. The way to find out whether the number is divisible by 3 or 9, that is same. And 2, 3, 2, 4, 5 and 10, these are different. One by one we have to discuss. Now, which all numbers are divisible by 2? According to previous discussion, that all the even number are divisible by 2. All the even number. So if there is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in one place, in one place of a number, if there is either 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, then the number will be divisible by 2. Suppose 4, 6, 7, 0 divisible by 2, 3, 9, 5, 8 also divisible by 2, 4, 7, 3, 1. But this is not divisible by 2 because in one place there is 1. Here 8, here 0. So 0, 8. So if there is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, any one digit in one place, then the number will be divisible by 2. Otherwise, the number will not be divisible by 2. This is the way to find out whether the number is divisible by 2 or not. No need to divide. No need to say after division. Before that, using some formulas, you have to give the answer. Now, divisibility by 3. Test of divisibility by 3. Which all number are divisible by 3? If sum of all the digits is divisible by 3, then the number will be divisible by 3. Now you see that 7, 3, 6, 2. 7, 3, 6, 2. This is a number. You add all the digits. What are the digits? 7, 3, 6 and 2. 7 plus 3 plus 6 plus 2. 8, 8, 11, 18. 18. 18 you can divide by 3. 18 is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. So sum is divisible by 3. Then the number also will be divisible by 3. 7, 3, 6, 2 is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. Why? That this is the formula. So if sum of all the digit is divisible by 3, then the number also will be divisible by 3. You check. 7, 3, 6, 2 by 3. 3 to the 6. 7, 3, 6, 2. 3 to the 6. 1, 3. 3 4 the 12. 1, 6. 3 5 the 15. 1, 2. 3 4 the 12. So exactly divisible by 3. Remainder is 0. So no need to divide the number by 3. Without division, using this formula, you can say whether the number is divisible by 3 or not. So similar way, if you want to check the number is divisible by 9 or not, then same way you have to do. Another number you see 5, 7. 5753. 5753. 5 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3. 8, 15, 20. 20. 20 is not divisible by 3. Not divisible by 3. Then when the sum is not divisible by 3, the number also will not be divisible by 3. 5753 is not divisible by 3. 5753 is not divisible by 3. So this way you have to find out whether the number is divisible by 3 or not. So I told that 3 and 9 same. If the sum is divisible by 9, then the number also will be divisible by 9. If the sum is not divisible by 9, then number also will not be divisible by 9. So here by 3, you have to check the sum is divisible by 3 or not. If it is divisible, then the number will be divisible. By 9, you have to see that the sum is divisible by 9 or not. If the sum is divisible by 9, then the number also will be divisible by 9. Now, divisibility test by 4. By 4. 5, 7, 3, 6. One number is there. Last two digits, 36. 36, 4, 9 is 36. So 36 is divisible by 4. So if the last two digits, the number formed by last two digits, 3 and 6 is divisible by 4, then the number also will be divisible by 4. Is divisible by 4. If last two digit is divisible by 4, then the number will be divisible by 4. 7, 3, 9, 5. 7, 3, 9, 5. Now 95. 95 can you divide by 4? 95. 4 2s are 8, 1 5, 4 3s are 12. So 3. No, not exactly divisible by 3. So 95 is not divisible by 4. So 7395 is not divisible by 4. So if the last two digit of a number formed by last two digit of a number is not divisible by 4, then the number also will not be divisible by 4. So this is the way to find out whether the number is divisible by 4 or not. Now 5, very simple. If there is either 0 or 5, last digit, one place, if there is 0 or 5, then number will be divisible by 5. 8, 7, 3, 5. The number will be divisible by 5. 5 is there. 7, 3, 9, 0. 0 is there, number will be divisible by 5. But 8, 3, 9, 2. 2. 0 or 5. No, among these no digit. Either 0 or 5. Then the number will be divisible by 5. But this will not be divisible by 5. 8392, 8392 will not be divisible by 5. And divisible by 10, which all numbers are divisible by 10? If there is 0 in one place. 2350, 7390, 87530. So if there is 0 in one place, 4500, 0. If there is 0 in one place, the number will be divisible by 10. Suppose one number 3972. This is not divisible by 10. Why? 2 is there. So only 0. If there is only 0 in one place, then the number will be divisible by 10. Otherwise, the number will not be divisible by 10. So this way, whether the number will be divisible by 10 or not, easily we can check without division, and this will be required in some cases. So when you have to see that sometimes that to reduce to find out the lowest term, you have to do like this way. So so that you can check whether the number is divisible by 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or not. So this formula you can use, otherwise you have to divide and you have to see, it will take too much time. So divisibility test by 2, by 3, by 4, by 5, 9 and 10, you have to practice thoroughly. Thank you all the students.